Hello viewer, we are going to create the designs here, making the shapes, pick up different designs, create the new visuals. Also we will have new designs again there. So let's create a new visual. So there we will find the other one. So there it is. I will use the round shape to cover up the whole design.